Hello. Recently, I noticed a weird taste coming from my Linea Mini. I suspect it might be coming from the water in the reservoir tank. So in this video, I'm going to flush out the remaining water inside the system and refill it with fresh water to see if that fixes the issue. Remove the top and side panels of the machine to access the internals. You will have to undo the water temperature wheel right at the side of the machine. Next, you will need to undo the clip that connects to the group head boiler. And then, disconnect the connection at the hot water boiler as well. Once that is done, I insert a silicone tube at the side of the group head boiler. You will also notice a valve beside the drain plug. Now, turn on the machine, slide the brew pedal, and then open the drain valve. Make sure you have something to catch the water. In my case, I'm just using the drip tray. Let the water flow out completely to flush the system. Take note that this is only the group head's boiler tank. Next, once the machine is heated up, turn on the hot water and steam taps and let both run. This helps flush out everything inside the boiler tank. Take note, the boiler tank is quite large, so you'll need a bigger container to catch all the water. I repeat these two steps, flushing through the group head and the boiler tank for about 5 cycles, making sure everything is properly cleaned out. If you notice in my setup, my machine is plumbed in to a larger 20 liters water tank. I'm using a pump to feed the water directly into the machine. If you're using the original reservoir, just make sure that it's always topped up. You'll need to monitor it more closely during the flushing process, since it takes a bit more time compared to a larger external tank setup like this. Once that's done, I let the machine refill itself with fresh water. After that, I pulled a shot to test it out, and I can immediately tell the difference. The water quality feels much cleaner, and that weird taste is completely gone. One quick tip: if you're planning to store your machine for a long time, try to empty out the tank completely before keeping it. This helps prevent any buildup inside the water tank over time. Once everything is done, putting the panels back is just the reverse of how we removed them earlier. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helps you if you are looking to flush your machine as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.